Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Claire and Ian. Just a little update video because we've been a bit quiet over the last 3 weeks. We did intend on doing a few videos from Blakemere. Someone's turned 50 and it ain't me.
At least my waist size isn't 50.
I'm on a diet. You've been starving me for 3 weeks. Alright, it might not be working, but anyway. So we did want to bring you a review of Blakemere because it was a fantastic site, wasn't it?
It was a lovely site. They'd literally thought of everything, even down to a little
dog
doggy
shower.
a little wash point, which was nice. It was a lovely site. It was just we were underwater, weren't we?
Unfortunately, we were the only pitch on the entire site that we had an inch of water on our pitch, so all the awning got flooded out, didn't it? And everything got wet.
Oh, it was horrible.
All the awning now needs to be laid out and scrubbed. All the skirt needs to be scrubbed clean now, so that's a big job for us.
Thank you for all the people anyway that wished me happy birthday. I did have a nice weekend.
Yeah, you got quite a lot of wishes. I've just turned 49 and only a few people noticed.
That's because people like me more than they do you.
That's not very nice.
Anyway, come on, I've got to go to work.
Well, I've been working all week, haven't I?
And I haven't.
Well, you know what I mean. I can see it in the camera, you know. I can see it. Thank you to everybody that's recently subscribed, and thank you to everybody else that stayed with us. To reach 400 subscribers has been absolutely, it's phenomenal. We're very humbled by it, and thank you very much for having faith in us and sticking with us. And we've got a lot to come. We've got something very special coming later on in this month. We're going away next weekend to another little sea house, so there'll be a little review and a little holiday vlog, because we've joined, what have we joined?
National Trust and the English Heritage. So
they're going to come in handy for our Cornwall trip. They're going to save us an awful lot of money, because we were spending a fortune this last Cornwall trip, weren't we?
Yeah.
We spent an absolute fortune, so we decided to join both of them, and in the long run we're going to save an awful lot of money. So sorry about there being no vlogs or nothing for the last 3 weeks. We've been really quiet, haven't we? But we're going to make up for it. It was nice to see family and friends. They came down for your birthday weekend, didn't they?
Was nice.
On site.
That was nice.
My mother and me stepfather and your friend came, didn't they?
Yeah, I ended up getting sucked into the mud on a little dog walk.
Yeah, I'm gonna post that. Should I post that? I did on Twitter, didn't I? I can't believe you decided to try and take a shortcut when it had been raining.
She fell.
The birthday girl takes one of the dogs for a walk
And then she sank in
and
the
comes
mud.
back
Filthy.
covered in mud.
She sank.
Safi is spotless.
Yeah,
She
you're not.
sunk.
I had a little accident.
She sunk in mud.
Go on, what do I always say?
Only me. Only you.
No,
Only you.
begins with S. Stupid woman. So there you go. We've got something, like I say, we've got something really good coming later on in the month. Something really exciting. A channel first. I've got a couple of vlogs coming. More tips and tricks and things. So that's on its way this month. I've just got to find time because we seem to be working all the time, don't we?
Yeah. Well, some of us do, according to you.
I do work the hardest. And the other thing is, with the caravan search, twice now we've almost bought an upgrade caravan, a new to us caravan. The first one, excuse me, our offer was turned down, wasn't it? And it was a damn good offer, wasn't it?
Considering that the van would have needed a lot
Of TLC.
of TLC, it could have been a really nice van.
So we made a
But
really.
it hadn't moved for a year, so you know, even at the offer we made, we were taking a chance.
Well, it was a bit of risk, but it was a good offer on a Swift Challenger SE 645 twin axle. So, but the offer we put in was a good, sensible offer because I think they were holding out for a forecourt price, and you weren't going to get it, so we came in a good offer and it was refused. So then we moved on to another van, didn't we? A Valencia, a 2016 model, all singing, all dancing.
Yeah, had EMP, didn't it?
EMP levelling system.
Movers. It was immaculate.
The best power touch mover and a light up handle, didn't it? An access handle, and it was immaculate Caravan. And the day we were going to clinch the deal, the gentleman decided to change his mind, so that deal fell through. So we've kind of been put off now by going for a private sale.
I've decided now I'm going to leave it now till next year, and I really would like me Barcelona.
That was our dream Caravan.
We're going to go for the Barca.
I know a lot of people have said, "Oh, don't go for a twin axle, don't do this," but it was our dream van. Even the 2016 model is really nice, isn't it? It just suits us. It's a perfect layout for me, Claire and Mike. So I think that's now back on the agenda, isn't it? I think we've kind of decided now.
You get yourself all excited and you start thinking, oh, and then you get a phone call. I've changed my mind. It's not for sale.
So we've been put off now, private sales. So we're going to hold back now.
Probably pay more, but at least you've got a bit of a.
I know we're going to go to a dealer. I'm fed up with this now. It's definitely a dealer, and we'll probably end up going to Spinney because it's our local dealer. So we'll go back in March, and we'll have to put this up for sale at the end of the year. So this van will be up for sale come November. We'll do our end of season trip at round beginning of November, fireworks time, and then this old girl will be up for sale. Be sad to see her go. Hopefully we'll get a buyer, and then we'll be off to the dealer.
Talk about selling her while we're sat in it.
But love, times change.
I know,
I'm going to be really sad because it's been.
She can hear you.
It's been awesome. Yeah, but Madge knows I love her. I love her, but our needs have changed now. It's got to be a fixed bed. It's simple as that. And the van we've set our heart on is the Barcelona. So another Bailey.
Of course.
I don't think the Caravans are made as good as this, but
no other vans come close for me.
This one's served its time, and
anyway,
for us,
that's it.
It's going to make somebody a cracking van, because there's not an awful lot wrong with this van. A couple of little spotlights maybe could do with a bit of attention, but other than that, and the oven, we're getting the oven serviced because it started sutting up. We still haven't got round to doing that. We'll have to get an engineer around next week to have a look at that. Other than that, it's been great, hasn't it? But Claire has a dream, and I am the provider.
I have a dream. That was Martin
Luther King. Anyway, enough of that. Enough waffle. Enough.
I'm off to serve my adoring public at work.
And I've got a day off from my adoring public.
They hate you.
All right, maybe they do.
Right. So it's bye from me.
And it's we should do Morgan and Wise. It's a goodbye from her.
And it's a goodbye from him.
Is that how they said it?
Little fatty Arbuckle here.
Oh, easy, Tiger. You've said that 50 times.
Well, I've said it once, and I'll say it again. At least I don't weigh 22 stone.
Neither do I. I must have lost a few pounds this week. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Some new stuff on its way, and new vlogs, etc, 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 and something very special later on in the month. So till next time, see you later.
Bye.
She's off. Ta-ra.